Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for your crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet gifting. We will give you some special ideas only for you. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now and press the bell icon so that at least you can find new videos notifications for your knowledge. In this video we will show you different kind of crochet gifting ideas. If you have any of one your special friend and you wanna give him some special gift so he will remember that gift till long time, we have very bright idea for you. If you know crocheting, you can crochet that item by your own hands also. But if you don't know crocheting, don't worry, we have already solution for that. Just make a contact with the guy who know crocheting and request him to make a special gift as we have shown in this video. If you give that gift to your friend, I'm sure he will remember that gift for a long time. Here are some benefits of giving and receiving crochet gifts. The first and main one is personal touch. Handmade items show thoughtfulness and care. Unique designs. Each piece is one of a kind, making it special. Customizable. Can be tailored to the reception's preferences and needs. Eco-friendly, often made from sustainable or recycled materials. Warmth and comfort. Crochet items like blankets and scarves provide warmth. Skill development. Gifting crochet items showcase your crafting skills. Emotional values. Handmade gifts often hold sentimental significance. Budget friendly. Generally less expensive than store-bought gifts. Versatile options. Suitable for various occasions from birthday to holiday. Therapeutic benefits. Gifting crochet items can promote relaxation and well-being. Encourages creativity. Inspires others to take up crochet or other crafts. Bonding opportunities. Encourages connection through shared crafting experience. Satisfaction of creation. The joy of making something special for someone. Gifts for all ages. Suitable for children, adults, and seniors alike. Lasting gifts. Handmade items can become heirlooms and different also. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. One another thing, I'm always looking for your beautiful comments. How our video looks like. Please make a beautiful comment. I will be happy for that. Support for local economy. Buying yarn and supplies locally supports small businesses. Enhances relationship. Strengthens bond through meaningful, thoughtful gifts. Learning tools. Crochet gifts can introduce new skills or hobbies, promotes mindfulness. The process of making gifts encourages mindfulness. Keep in touch our videos. Thank you very much for watching.